we all know, traditional IoT technologies are currently transitioning to 5G, during which we face challenges with cost, power consumption, and performance trade-offs. This is where 5G RedCap comes in, a streamlined version of 5G that maintains core 5G capabilities while addressing key limitations. In today's video, we will take a closer look at SIMCom's 5G RedCap product, the SIM8230 module along with its evaluation board kit. The SIM8230 is a RedCap module developed based on Qualcomm's SDX35 platform, supporting multiple frequency bands and offering different regional variants to meet diverse global demands in mobile broadband, industrial IoT, wearable devices, and more. Unpack the packaging of the SIM8230 evaluation board kit. We can see it contains one evaluation board, a TE board with the SIM8230 module installed, a power adapter, RF antennas, 2 cans of RF cables, and 2 Type-C USB 3.0 data cables. In addition to the LGA package, the SIM8230 is also available in M2 and PCIe form factors. Here is the interface diagram for the SIM8230 TE board, followed by the evaluation board interface layout. Feel free to screenshot this for your reference if needed. Next, let's introduce some usage methods for the SIM8230 evaluation board. First, attach the TE board onto the main board. Connect the DC adapter. Set the S300 to the power on state. Press and hold the power key for at least 2 seconds, and wait a few seconds until the power indicator LED lights up. After the module is powered on, you also need to install the driver on the engineering machine to correctly recognize the module. You can contact SIMCom in advance to obtain the latest driver. Without the driver installed, in the Device Manager, under the Other Device section, you will see a device name marked with an exclamation point. Simply double-click the driver installation program. Keep clicking Next, and wait for the installation to complete. After this, you will need to reset the device, and then you can see the correct device serial port. Next, I will show you how to force the module into download mode and flash the firmware. Before powering on the module, short-circuit the 1.8 and boot test points on the SIM8230 TE board. Then power on the module and it will enter forced download mode. Next, we can proceed to use the official tool provided by SIMCom for firmware booting. Double-click to launch the GREE Download Tools application. Click File, Configuration. Under ARM Program Directory, select the firmware package. Then choose the .elf and the .xml files. Select NAND as the memory type. Click Save to confirm settings. Reconnect the module. The tool will detect the 9008 port, and then the booting will automatically begin. Once the download is successful, a green pass message will appear in the window. After the firmware is successfully flashed, we can use AD commands to check the module's version information, signal strength, and network registration status. Use the serial port tool provided by SIMCom or any other serial port tool to open the serial port. Send AD commands to query module information. Next, I will show you how to use the module for WAN dial-up internet access. First, send this command to enable ADB mode. Then send this command to initiate the dial-up connection. After that, unplug the computer's Ethernet cable and disconnect Wi-Fi. You will see that the computer is now using only one dial-up for internet access. That's all for this video. If you'd like to get the SIM8230 documentation, latest driver, download tool, and SIMCom serial port tool, please scan this QR code and fill in your information. We will send these resources to you. If you have any other questions, you can also contact us through the following channels. Thanks for your watching, and see you next time.